we're concentrating on food safe products. These are products you see a lot in the food application environments. Easier to clean, more robust, as well as our general conveyance and industrial applications that you'll see throughout. Belts, unique ones with magnets built into it, tight transfers, just a lot of different materials, as well as a lot of tools to help the customer with tools to take the belts apart and put them back together as well. We do a great deal in the food industry, but outside of the food industry, we do every industry. We do industrial, we do these large heavy belts, we'll do this in automobile manufacturing. So we cover the full gamut of industries you'll see out there. I think the most interest we're seeing is ease of working on the belt. So we're designing products to help them, their reduced maintenance staff, or reduce staffs they have to work on the belts easily and quickly with fewer people. That's been the driver we're seeing. CBT and Intralox guys are a preferred supplier of Intralox, have been for over 7-8 years, and one of our key suppliers in this region, and do a lot of great work with your belt specialists as well as your AMs. Dana Emberlin, I'm the channel manager for the Intralox RDS team.